Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a clan in Golf Clash. If you want to leave your current clan in Golf Clash, then follow these simple steps. First of all, open up your Golf Clash application and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of Golf Clash, tap on the Clans button from the main menu at the bottom right. Once you've opened up the clan that you've joined in, simply go ahead and tap the I option at the top right and you will be able to open up the clan's profile that you've joined in. To leave the clan, tap the leave button in red, click on leave once again to confirm your decision. Once you leave the clan, you will no longer be part of the clan league, clan chat or clan rewards. So that is how you can easily leave a clan you no longer want to be a part of in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.